Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here with Brandon today. He has an upcoming speech and he uses his camera to record himself so he can get better and better. And he's going to demonstrate this today. Hi Brandon, how you doing?
Yes, I'm doing good.
How
How
would
are
you like
you?
to go ahead and give us a tutorial on how you get that camera open and record yourself?
Yes. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to navigate through your camera on your laptop. So what you want to do is hit your Windows key, type in camera. When you hear camera on your laptop, you want to hit enter.
Search box edit, type in text, C. Calculator app, calculator app, press right to switch preview, camera app, press enter. Camera, open settings menu button to activate, press spacebar, take video button to activate, press spacebar.
As you heard, it said take video button, but I am going to show you all of the features on the laptop before I demonstrate even further by hitting the tab.
Camera roll button to activate, press spacebar.
That says camera roll.
Zoom button to activate, press spacebar.
Zoom.
Open settings menu button to activate, press spacebar.
Open settings.
Change camera button to activate, press spacebar.
Change camera if you want to have front facing or back facing.
Video mode selected, 1 of 2. Use the up and down arrow keys to switch between camera modes.
Whatever you want to say or record on your video, like if you're recording notes or just a fun little YouTube video.
Space.
Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use your camera on your laptop.
Space.
Then I hit space to stop, and then I want to tap to camera roll.
Camera roll button to activate.
And then I want to space on
List
camera
box.
roll.
1 of 1.
Then you either want to tap once or twice to play video.
Mute button collapsed to play button to act.
And then when you're on the play button, you want to hit spacebar.
Space.
Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use your camera on your laptop. And then when it stops, you can either tap to delete
Aspect ratio button to activate, press spacebar.
or other things. If you want to cut anything, you can tap to that. But this is a tutorial on how to use your camera on your laptop. Yes, thank you so much everyone for watching. Hope that this can help you access your camera roll.